I'm gonna sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele, and I was supposed to sing this song or make this video a couple months ago, and I never did. So I am now because I'm home alone, and yeah. And I'm not gonna sing the ending part because I don't like the ending, like where it says "oh." But yeah. So I'm going to do that now. I let it fall, my heart, and as you fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. In the games you played, you would always win. But I'd set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes with you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you caught must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself, I'm looking for you. I set fire to the rain, would you burn as I touch your face? When it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something die, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Okay, so that was it, and I hoped you liked it.